Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices hit a near 4-week high after a weaker than expected private employment report for December provided reassurance for some in the market. The US Federal Reserve may be less cautious about easing rates this year. US stocks dipped as investors digested the impact of two conflicting sets of jobs data and a report that said President-elect Donald Trump was mulling a national economic emergency declaration on inflation. Bitcoin's recent correction was likely triggered by concerns regarding the US Federal Reserve's tightening monetary policy, which may emerge as the main factor influencing Bitcoin's price action in 2025. Bitcoin's price temporarily breached the $100,000 psychological mark on January the 7th before staging a heavy correction.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Prepare for market movements as the economic calendar for the upcoming days includes a mix of high-priority and moderate-impact releases. These data points could create trading opportunities and drive price action across various sectors. These key releases could set the tone for trading in the near term. Understanding their potential impact will help shape effective investment strategies.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.